Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you why is Cash App not letting you send money. So watch till the very end to understand if you have any of these issues. So the first thing that you need to check is if you have insufficient funds, because sometimes suppose you want to send $15 but your Cash App has only $10, so it's going to show you an error. So make sure you have the enough amount of money. And then the second one is verification issues. So make sure your account is properly verified, everything is done, because otherwise Cash App will not let you send money. Sometimes there is network issue and there is also server issues, so make sure you are patient. Maybe try it after half an hour or another hour, something like that. And then if there is any ban on your account, just check your Gmail if Cash App has sent you anything that hey, we have like limitations on your account, so we're not gonna let you send money. So just contact them, and if it's still not working, then yeah, you need to contact their customer support that hey, I haven't done anything wrong, but I'm still facing issues. What should I do? And they'll let you know. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.